In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get the best working Medicube coupon codes in 2025. This is pretty simple, so let's jump right into it. First of all, go to your web browser, and right here you'll have to search for Medicube coupon code. Right here, scroll down a little bit and go to this website, which is called Retrieve. So as you can see right here, we have a list with some promo codes that can be used in order to get some discounts. So for example, if you want to get this 12% discount right here, all you need to do is select this button where it says copy code, and this is the promo code right here. You can simply select and copy this promo code and apply on your checkout so that you can get a 12% discount on your next purchase. Also, going back to the main search right here, we have this website which is called Knoshi. And right here, as you can see, we also have some promo codes and some deals that can get us some discount. So for example, if you want to get this 10% discount right here, all you need to do is select the button where it says get this code. And this is the promo code right here. You can simply copy this one and you can apply the promo code on your next purchase so that you can get a 10% discount. So this is all for today. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.